Don't toss them out. Eggshells are worth gold, and few knows their true value. Once you learn this, I guarantee you'll be left speechless, and you'll never want to throw away eggshells after cooking again. I've got some eggshells here that I just used at home. First, we need to give those eggshells a good rinse. After washing them thoroughly, grab a blender and add about 500 milliliters of water. Next, add those clean eggshells right in there. I love connecting with you all. Leave a comment with your country, and I might just mention you in my next video. Next, grab a soap bar that you've already grated up. Add it to the blender. Now, blend everything again until it's nice and mixed. You might notice some foam building up, but don't worry. That's totally normal. Just let it rest for a couple of minutes, and it will settle down. Once it's settled, add 3 tablespoons of white sugar. After that, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This is super important because it gives the mixture just the right consistency. I know you're probably wondering, what on earth is this for? Hang tight. The reveal is coming, and trust me, you'll be amazed. Here comes the big reveal. What we've created here is an incredible multi-purpose cleaner and degreaser. The crushed eggshells work absolute magic when they get in contact with kitchen pots, polishing them greatly. And that's not all. It's also fantastic for cleaning stove burners, bathroom tiles, and even the refrigerator. This solution is super easy to make, with just a few ingredients, and it's perfect for getting your home sparkling clean. No need for harsh chemicals, just things you already have at home.